to the channel Acharyaji Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Dear students, I, Acharya Lakshmikant Jha, think that all the students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir must be serious about their study. They might be involved in receiving or studying through the video issued by the teachers of different subjects of our school, Saraswati Vidya Mandir Sitamarhi. I am quite confident that you all have made a timetable and you'd hear, listen the video, and you might have been writing something on your copy in your notebook. Today I have decided to make a brief video for class 9th supplementary reader moments, the chapter first, the lost child. The lost child. The lesson, the lost child, has been written by a great and writer, Mulk Raj Anand. Perhaps you might have heard his name. He is a very famous writer of English. His novel, his fiction, The Untouchable, is world famous. Mulk Raj Anand is famous for his writing, his ideas, his opinion. He is called an apostle, Masiha of the depressed, the deprived, the poor. Means in his writing, he has raised the problem of the depressed. But here in the story, The Lost Child, he had described the mentality of a child, his attachment with his parents, his dreams, his desires. The lesson, The Lost Child, has two meanings. The lost child, here lost word is adjective. Here it means the child who has been lost in the fear. And the second meaning is that the child who is lost in his desires, in watching, looking, gazing, staring at the things in the fear. Means he lost in his desires and he forgets his parents. Before starting the lesson and the story, I would like to help you by drawing your attention towards the difficult words. I think you would see these words in the video and write in your copy, and then you will remember these words. So, I am drawing your attention towards the words written on the board. The difficult words are on the board. You can take the help of the board. You can or you must write these all words in your copies, and after writing these words, I expect that you all will remember, because if you don't remember these words, you will feel difficulty while you read the lesson in understanding. So I expect that you all will remember these all words one by one. Now I think that you will pay attention to my words, which I am going to tell. Theme of the story. First of all, theme of the story. The story, The Lost Child, concentrates on the child's desire. Concentrates on the child's desire for everything. Means a child has many desires, limitless desires. It is very difficult to fulfill all desires of a child. It is a story about a child, his demands and realization. The message is, we really don't understand the true value of parents. The message of the story is that we really don't understand the true value of parents, but when they are out of sight, means when you miss them or we miss them, then we realize their importance. Now the story in brief. We all know that India is a country of festivals. In our villages, festivals are organized time to time. In the story also, a festival was organized. The name of the festival was Spring Festival. Perhaps you might have also visited village fair. There is a huge crowd. The people of all classes go there. Here classes means the rich class, the middle class, the poor class. All visit there by their own way. In those days, the rich used to visit there by the bullock carts. The poor used to visit there on foot. The little child was going to the fair with his parents on foot by a narrow lane, Sankirn Marg se, Pagdandi se. On the way, the child saw many things, and those things fascinated the child. On the way to the fair, the child saw many things, and those things fascinated the child. Means child began to look at the petals of mustard flowers, the dove, to look at the dove. His feet were short, so he used to lag behind. His parents used to call him, "Come child, come." And then he used to run in the direction of his parents. In this way, the child reached the fair. In the fair, he saw many things. He wanted to buy them one. He saw a sweet seller hawking gulab jamun, rasgulla, burfi, jalebi. He saw that a crowd was at the counter. He saw there different kinds of sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. Leaves of silver and gold. On seeing the sweets, his mouth watered and he wanted to buy burfi. But his parents looked at him in a tyrant means cruel way, and he suppressed his desire. He could not dare to express his desire before his parents, and he began to go ahead of his parents. While moving in the fair, the child heard the sound of a flute played by a snake charmer. He felt very happy to see the snake charmer playing the flute. He was willing to enjoy the graceful music, but he went away because he knew that his parents would forbid him to listen to it. His parents would not allow him to listen to such a music. The child went further. He saw there a garland seller. He was selling the garlands of marigolds. He wanted to buy, but again he could not express his desire. He went little ahead. At that sight, he saw a roundabout. He saw that men, women, children were enjoying the swing. At this time, he could not suppress his desire. He made a bold request, but the situation was different. There was no response on the part of his parents because they were not there. The child turned to look at his parents, but he could not find it there. He was filled with fear and he ran here and there for them. He was panic stricken and tears rolled down from his eyes. His yellow turban came down and his clothes became muddy. He began to search his parents because he was lost there. He was weeping and searching his parents, running here and there. Just imagine what would have been his condition when he became away from his father. If you have lost someday in the fair, then you might realize this. In course of seeking his father, a kind-hearted man saw him and he lifted him up. He consoled him. He used very comfortable and sympathetic word with him. He took him to the roundabout and told him to enjoy the ride. But the child didn't like to enjoy. He went on repeating his words. He wanted his parents He wanted his mother, he wanted his father. The kind-hearted man offered him to buy flowers, he offered him to buy balloons, he offered him to buy sweets and many other things. But the child had no interest in these all things except his parents. Means his parents become very important thing for him because he was away from his parents. His parents became everything for him. He didn't want anything at the cost of his parents. He wants everything from his parents, through his parents, nothing from others. His parents were very dear to him. I think for you too, your parents might have been very dear to you. You would not like anything from other at the cost of your parents. You want everything from your parents, not from others. This is a good idea, good thing. The writer Mulk Raj Anand has also described here the emotion of the child. The child must be attached to their parents. They must have attachment with their parents. The parents also must have love, regard, sympathy, affection for their child. That's much. Thanks to all of you. I think you will hear the video again and again, and if you will hear it more than once, I think you will understand the gist of the story. I can't say it that you will understand the whole story line by line because it will take 4 or 5 videos to complete one story. So I advise you, all of you, to listen the story once, twice, thrice, as many times as possible, and then read the story surely at least once, and then go and read the question and try to answer the question in your own words. Thanks.